Well, new at 10, there is a new wildfire burning uncontrolled tonight in northeast Minnesota. The Horse River fire is in the BWCA, about 16 miles northeast of Ely near the Canadian border. The aerial photo you see here from the Forest Service shows 5 acres of land burning. We're told firefighting personnel are assessing the situation and figuring out the best way to approach it. People are being asked to stay out of that part of BWCA in the meantime. No word yet on a cause. We'll, of course, keep you updated.
But there is